So we're just going to go through very quickly how to go and put a full lesson together using forms. So start off, go new quiz. I'm going to do one on bacterial disease. Right, the first thing that I would personally do, go put in a new section, and then the first thing that I want them to do is watch a video that goes with the lesson. So watch video, then if you go, find the video that you want off of YouTube or through Stream, go and copy the link in. If they're watching it or using it from home, it works quite well using YouTube. Click on video, then you can go and paste that in and add that. Right, so that gives them a video to watch before starting anything else. So the second thing is we want to think about the physical PowerPoint that the students are going to be sent to look through. So I've got my PowerPoint here on bacteria. The first thing that I would now do is to go and export that PowerPoint and change it all to images for students to go and use once we go and start putting them into forms. Right, so now if I go and add new, we're going to add new section. That section, so if I was going on that, we're going to do it on disease transmission. So transmission. Then I'm going to go and insert an image from the PowerPoint that I would be going through in the lesson. So just go through, find where you've gone and saved it. So student version, slide 2 is what I'd want to be talking about first. So that will go and put that slide into your PowerPoint, into your form. Go and change it so it's large and then students can see it. Right, after that, you can go and put in whatever sorts of questions you want to make sure that students have gone through and engaged with it. So you might put, how are diseases spread? And put that as a long answer, put as required, and I don't know, you might set it as 4 marks maybe. Right, so after I've gone through that first section, I might then go and add a new section. This time we're going to go through and put in something about how some different diseases. So I've got a video on the 2 specific diseases that students need to see. So same again, watch video, put that video in, paste, add, and then as before, text, I can go put in another image that goes with that video. So we put that image there in, so they've got the information in front of them, so they have no excuse. Right, we can change that so it's large, and I might go and type in another question about, so describe the symptoms of salmonella. You can go through and carry on setting it up like that for as many different sections and as many questions as you like. The other bit that's worth doing is if you go to theme, you can go and change the background. So the way that I do backgrounds is I've got some standard templates set up that I can go and change the things to remember. So from this file, same again, export, change file type, change that slide to a picture. So we're going to call it forms background bacteria. If I go and save that, just that one slide, so that will now save that slide, and I can now go back into my forms, click on that, and I'm going to upload and insert that slide as my background. So they've got a reminder of the key points that you might want to go through, or you might want them to keep referring back to. And like I've said before, you can go and add in as many sections or as many questions as you like, which students can then do at home while they're in isolation.